Hello everyone, today we're talking about something that's very close to the heart of Irish culture, and that is learning the Irish language. Whether you want to prepare for school, connect to your heritage, or simply try something new, here are 10 effective ways that people can start learning Irish today. At number 1, and we have something very easy and you always have it in your hand, and that is your mobile phone. So you can start using a wide array of language learning apps. Now, these will be very basic and won't provide all of the detail. I'm sure there'll be a few people in the comments saying don't use them. But if you have no other alternative, language learning apps can be very useful. Apps such as Duolingo and Drop offer small bite-sized language learning opportunities in the Irish language. So these can be broken down into small daily lessons that you can take each day. This will help you build your vocabulary and gain basic understanding of the grammar, which can be quite tricky. And it will help that you don't feel overwhelmed when learning the language. These are perfect for all beginners as you can practice every day, learning bit by bit. At number 2, and it's something that you can also do online, and that's join a class. There are at least a few hundred, if not a couple of thousand, very qualified and very capable Irish language teachers online. This way you can practice what you've learned so far and be held accountable by your teacher, doing some homework and doing lessons each day or each week, depending on how you organise it. Popular language learning apps such as Preply and italki will have qualified teachers that you're looking for, and then you can schedule them around your own working schedule. If you do some more research online, then you might find local education boards that do also offer online classes. If you're in Ireland, there are plenty of other opportunities. Let your teacher know your capabilities, and then you might also have a small online quiz or a task to complete, and then your teacher can help organise you into the level that you're suitable for. Your teachers can give you insights into the Irish grammar and vocabulary that apps simply can't do. So online classes are a great alternative. At number 3, you can consume Irish language media. This includes radio broadcasts, television and movies. Listening is a key part of any language learning, and especially with the Irish language, due to the accents and how sentences and words are structured. There are plenty of Irish films, TV shows and news programmes that you can watch, especially on TG4 or TG4. Even if you don't understand everything, it will be helpful to learn, and you can use subtitles if you're very stuck. So look around, check online for TG4, and then whatever YouTubers pops up above or below me would be much more helpful. This will help you improve your confidence and your understanding of how the Irish language really sounds in a real world environment. Continuing with online learning, you can use Irish podcasts such as On Pod Gaeilge. In this way you can listen and learn the Irish language while out doing your walks, doing your shopping, exercising or having some downtime. This might be better suited for people with a slightly advanced level of Irish language, as you won't be able to use subtitles. At number 5, you can join conversation groups, or if you do happen to live in an area with a large Irish population, there are usually sometimes Irish language classes, cafes, social meetups, in which you can learn the Irish language. For example, in Tala, I know there's a cafe where everything is through Gaeilge. Obviously, if you don't have the comprehension, you can go there, listen and learn from people that are speaking Irish in your area. There are also groups such as the Gaeilge, which will help, especially in Ireland. Across in the United States and Australia, there are other groups and social meetups. So you'll just have to get online and check what's on in your area. And then in that way, you can use and practice your vocabulary amongst other people at the same level who want to learn just like you. In these groups, don't worry about making mistakes. People will either assist you or you'll develop your skills as you go. Now, number 6, and this depends on where you are in the world, but visiting a Gaeltacht will be probably the best way for you to pick up the Irish language in a very short space of time. Gaeltachts are special category areas of Ireland in which people use the Irish language on a day-to-day basis. Unfortunately, of course, they are shrinking and populations are leaving. Work is hard to find in such rural areas, but if you do have an opportunity, you can visit the Gaeltacht. You can go for immersion programs during Easter, summer, sometimes winter breaks. In this way, you'll get to live with Irish host families, go to Irish language classes, and then converse in the Irish language from day to day. This can go from a number of weeks up to a couple of months, depending on your availability. Of course, if you're just visiting the country and you do have a couple of little words, if you happen to be in the Gaeltacht, you can try and use it there as well, if you're not able to actually fully immerse yourself. At number 7, it's something I touched on already, but follow Irish language creators. So there is a large number of accounts such as Irish with Molly, Hector O'Houlihan, Gaeilge in my Crui, which might appear here on YouTube. Another YouTube channel simply called Learn Irish might also appear here. But there are opportunities on TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, and maybe even some small Facebook groups in which you can follow Irish creators. They create classes, structured programs that you can follow, and then little tidbits and facts about the Irish language which you can pick up with them that you might not be able to pick up in a book. Or if you're not able to talk to someone, it might be nice to hear a voice or see a familiar face. So that's number 7, follow some Irish creators. Unfortunately, I'm not one of them. At number 8, you can read simple Irish texts or get a small introduction to the Irish language through the written word. Just like you would with other languages, you start with small, simple books that you might already know. For example, Harry Potter or other nursery rhymes and children's books that you might know from the past. So in that way, you know the story, you're just learning a new vocabulary to match up with the story. You can also get books by some Irish creators. For example, I have Irish with Molly and the Gaeilge Guide, and then I also have Hector O'Houlihan's book, The Irish Words You Should Know. So there are 2 books that you can also read and gives you a nice introduction into the Irish language. So those books will give you a small introduction, vocabulary and some ways to learn the language. At number 9, it's a small trick, but it might help you a lot, and that is to label your environment with the Irish language. So you can put up stickers around your home, your office, with Gaeilge words for what you're using or what you're seeing every day. That way your memorization will get better, you'll improve how to use the words and what words mean what. So that is to label your environment in the Gaelic language. And at number 10, and it's something that I need to follow a lot more, but that is to be consistent. The Irish language is very difficult, the accents are difficult, the conjugation of words and sentences is very, very tricky. But consistency always trumps perfection. So you'll learn slowly, but gradually your confidence will get better, your vocabulary and understanding will get better. And in that way, hopefully you'll be able to at least hold a basic conversation. So be consistent. Small bits every day will lead to something greater in the long run. But there are my tips for learning Irish. I hope some of them were useful. I hope you can put some into good use. And thank you. I'll see you all in the next one.
Vi drakk vel sammen det hoder svinjam kjørnam arten skulle vi ni få smesju noe var to til